Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated heavy-duty trucks of the year, the 2025 Scania R1000 V8. Known for pushing boundaries in power, performance, and comfort, Scania has once again raised the bar with the R1000. This beast of a truck is more than just a hauler, it's a statement of strength, efficiency, and innovation in the trucking world. Whether you're a long-haul driver, a fleet owner, or just someone who appreciates cutting-edge automotive engineering, the R1000 V8 has something to capture your attention. Let's begin with what's under the hood, the mighty V8 engine. The 2025 R1000 is powered by Scania's most powerful V8 to date, delivering a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower, hence the name. That's not a typo, 1,000 horsepower. This isn't just for show, the engine provides immense torque, estimated at over 5,000 Nm, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications like timber transport, mining logistics, or pulling super heavy loads across tough terrains. Despite the power increase, Scania has managed to keep fuel consumption impressively efficient thanks to advanced turbocharging and a newly designed fuel injection system. The engine is Euro 6 compliant, so it's not just powerful, it's also environmentally responsible. What makes this engine stand out isn't just the power, it's the smoothness and responsiveness. Drivers have reported an almost seamless delivery of torque, making acceleration feel surprisingly light for such a massive machine. And paired with Scania's updated Opticruise gearbox, the R1000 shifts gears with precision and intelligence. The transmission now learns from driving patterns and road conditions, adjusting shifts to maximize efficiency and reduce driver fatigue. You can practically feel the brain behind the brawn at work every time it shifts up or down on a climb or during overtaking. Now let's talk about design, because this truck isn't just muscle, it's also style. The 2025 model has a commanding road presence with a redesigned front grille that proudly shows off the V8 badge. It's wider, more aggressive, and features active air intakes that adjust for optimal engine cooling and aerodynamics. The LED lighting system is both functional and stylish, with new high beam assistance signature DRLs that give the truck a futuristic look even during the day. The overall shape of the cabin has been slightly reshaped for better airflow, which contributes to reduced drag and improved fuel economy. Inside the cab, the R1000 V8 offers a level of luxury that would put some premium SUVs to shame. The driver's seat is fully adjustable with memory foam support, heating, cooling, and even a massage function. Scania's new smart dashboard is fully digital, offering a customizable interface that displays everything from fuel economy stats to real-time GPS with predictive routing. The steering wheel now includes multi-function touch-sensitive controls, and the infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even voice commands in multiple languages. There's also an integrated camera system offering a 360-degree view around the truck, a huge safety feature for tight urban maneuvering or complex loading zones. Comfort doesn't end at the driver's seat. The sleeper cab is practically a mini apartment on wheels. There's a foldable bed with upgraded mattress options, ambient lighting, climate control, and even a 24-inch fold-out entertainment screen for off-duty relaxation. Storage compartments are plentiful and intelligently placed, with soft close mechanisms and built-in lighting. For drivers spending days or even weeks on the road, this level of comfort can make all the difference. Another impressive aspect of the R1000 V8 is its safety tech. Scania has integrated its latest suite of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and a fatigue monitoring system that tracks eye movement and head position to suggest brakes when needed. There's also a new feature called Smart Load Monitoring that continuously assesses the load weight and distribution, adjusting braking and stability control systems accordingly. These features are aimed at not only protecting the driver and cargo but also ensuring safer roads for everyone. Fuel economy in a 1,000 horsepower truck might seem like a contradiction, but Scania has done an impressive job here. With new lightweight materials used in the chassis and better aerodynamic design, combined with a more efficient drivetrain, the R1000 V8 delivers fuel savings of up to 8% compared to its predecessor. For fleet operators, this means serious savings over time, especially when you factor in the reduced wear and tear from smarter gear shifting and real-time engine optimization. Maintenance has also become smarter. The 2025 R1000 is equipped with Scania's new predictive maintenance suite, which uses data from over 100 sensors to monitor the truck's condition in real time. It can forecast potential issues before they become problems and notify service centers automatically, reducing downtime. This level of connectivity ensures the truck stays on the road longer and only visits the workshop when it's truly necessary. In terms of driving experience, it's surprisingly refined. The R1000 V8 handles with confidence, thanks to an improved suspension system and advanced electronic stability controls. Even fully loaded, it manages corners and uneven roads with poise. The cabin is incredibly quiet due to double-glazed windows and advanced insulation, a pleasant surprise considering the monster V8 engine just a few feet away. There are also a number of customizable options depending on the use case. Whether you need a 4x2, 6x2, or even an 8x4 setup, Scania offers flexible configurations to meet specific transport needs. You can also choose between different cab heights, fuel tank sizes, and axle spacings to best match your operational requirements. What really sets the 2025 Scania R1000 V8 apart is how it balances raw power with everyday usability and comfort. It's not just a machine for hauling goods, it's a carefully engineered platform designed to make driving more productive, more comfortable, and more enjoyable. It's ideal for those who need serious muscle, but who also value the intelligence and tech that modern transportation demands. To sum it up, the 2025 Scania R1000 V8 isn't just a truck, it's an experience. It's built for the toughest jobs but designed to treat the driver like royalty. With unmatched power, smart systems, and luxurious comfort, it represents the future of long-haul trucking. Whether you're a veteran of the highway or a business owner looking to upgrade your fleet, the R1000 deserves serious consideration. This is more than evolution, it's a revolution on wheels.